I got one word for you guys and girls, man. Fucking finally. Yes, you see it. It's in my hands. It's actually in my hands. AeroZoom actually sent the package out. Well, actually, I bought the package, or I bought the shit, and then they sent the package like a month and 5 days later. Apparently, they said this is their express shipping. Nevertheless, we got the acoustic bass traps. It looks like approximately 28.46 pounds of cocaine. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes of cutting them. This is what it looks like 0 minutes after cutting them. So you could kind of get an idea of how it's acclimating to whatever air. So now you saw that, I guess I'll just open this and the rest of them. Actually, I'm gonna leave them like this. This is how it originally was. Oh man, this one came out bigger. This one's already expanding. Alright, well, sometimes things are growing at different places. I guess this had a catalyst of, I don't know, not being so tight. All in all, these are 24 panels here. You can see them all here, and once they're expanded, we'll see them in their happy state. Cheer! Hey! So it's been like 7 hours, and you can see things are not in their happy place. This one looks like it ain't even eat no vegetables as a kid. You're gonna get... I forgot to mention, I bought 24 extra pieces of, what you call it, double-sided tape shit. This is really it, just 3 pieces. And it came with 3. This is some garbage, man. It hasn't been exactly 24 hours, maybe like 18 or something like that. It's just the next day. And it still looks like some of them are riding the short bus. You can see this one's not perfect yet. Another side note for those who are having these foams and all that, keep them away from cats. Apparently these things have polyurethane foam. That's what these are. I had my little girl cat in here. I don't know if y'all remember her. But she kept doing like little mini sneezes here and there. And I didn't want that to sting her. Apparently this stuff is kind of toxic to cats. So I'm going to keep them out of my room probably forever. Not really. But for like a good week or 2 or something. Anyways, these are pretty good. Most of them. Let's focus on the booth and, you know, do our voice test. And that's all we really care about. Alright, so there is 1, 2, 3 corners that gotta be filled. This, the one by the door is just like very thin, so I don't even think I need to do anything with that. Let's see. If I were to put one here, put a smaller one here, it's a little bit over, and I would have to cut this down. Volk. Fill this corner here with that piece, and then. Yeah, force is not going to make it nice, so I am going to have to pull out the bread cutter and start cutting some bread. Before that, let me go ahead and put a couple more patches on here. Tap it, tap it, tap it. Just like I do your mother. And just like that, we are all padded up. You can even see up there in that corner, we are fully up on that corner traps. Right there. You would have thought this is some weird anime. I even cut the hole out here. I filled in that red and that black piece sponge. And then the 2 little thingamajiggies. There's only one more thing that I could improve on at this moment. And that is the actual door itself. Being that it's so solid. I do have little flat panels that I could place on there. But before I do any of that, let's go ahead and test this out. And see how it sounds. I don't have my headphones on, so I can't hear anything. But it does look like something really, really significant worked out with the 388 hertz. Okay, I lied. Let's see. 200, 300 something. It looks like something's been going on. I'll see when I'm outside. Yo. All right. This is a voice test. Let me put the mouse down. Yo. Hey. Testing. Yo. Hey, what is up, guys and girls? It is your boy Justin Omoe. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button if you want to stick along and support your boy. All right, cool. We're done just like that. where's my mouse? I love you and I miss you. Alright guys, let me go ahead and just set this thing up and listen to it. I'm going to put it into number 2. And I will line the claps up here again. Yo. Alright. This is a voice test. Okay. So I guess we cannot escape the number 3. Oh god, this isn't a 400 now? Around that 380 something mark. Remember, we had some issues about that before. It looks like it's still there. And honestly, I don't even know if it's an issue anymore. Yo. Alright. This is a voice test. It sounds really good though, like from what I heard right here. But, you know, let me play it out. What is up, guys and girls? It is your boy Justin Omoe. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button if you want to stick along and support your boy. And let me hear how the other one worked, the previous sound. Duke. I really gotta take a Duke. Duke. I really gotta Duke. I'm like the Duke. I really gotta take a Duke. What is up, guys and girls? It is your boy Justin. Yeah, there is definitely some sort of a difference there. I'd love to hear from you guys and girls again. Let me know what's your thought about it. We put bass traps all up in the corners. But wait, we are going to do one more thing. And to wrap it all off, guys, I've put these acoustic panels on this door. So you can see down here, up here. It's not covering everything, but it's covering enough. So you can see here that this door side did not get filled up with the foam. And honestly, the reason why is because I don't want to cut these perfect pieces. I have 4 perfect squares left. And yeah, I just really don't feel like doing that right now, I would say. But all in all, guys and girls, here is the final upgrade, I guess, for this booth test. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, I had a remainder piece of the cutting from before, and I just put it there. Not that it really matters. Okay, this is the final voice test. This is the final. Put that mouse up there. This is the final voice test. Yo. Hey. Whoop. It's your boy, Justin Omoe. You already know. Let me go ahead and put this at an angle. Okay. This is how it sounds at an angle. Like a triangle. I'm not gonna rap. But yeah. For some reason the mic is not exactly in the middle. Okay. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. I'm chilling with my homies. Yeah, that should be enough. Oh, Moe. I don't know. They're just so great. Both of them are good. To my ears, they sound great. And it's definitely an improvement with the bass traps compared to how it was in this take, which was everything except for those bass traps that had to get filled up. I don't know, but I honestly feel like this is complete. There is no more improving when it comes to that treatment, the treatment of the room. I really don't think there is anything else that I could do. So with that said, finally it's just complete, right? And like I said in the last video, the real best way to figure it out is to literally try it ourselves in our own song. More on that later, I guess. I still got a couple of more videos that I have to do first, and then I'll be able to create things. But yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys and girls yet again. Do you think the bass traps improved the sound quality? Let me know in the comment section below. It is your boy, Justin Omoe. And with that being said, peace. I'm out. And please have yourselves a damn good one.